Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to add schema or JSON schema to the website. So in order to do that, we need to use a plugin, and the plugin is called Project Supremacy. So we're going to upload the plugin first, and I'll have this plugin in the Google Drive for you to access for every site that we're building. And so now we're just going to choose the file. Actually, I have it down here, so I'm just going to click and drag it. Say install now. Let's just give this a minute to install. Alright, plugin installed successfully. Now we want to activate the plugin. Alright, so we got our plugin live here. And now we need to just go in and set things up. Alright, so here is the plugin, Project Supremacy. Let's click that. And now we just need to enter our email address and license key. Now once it's installed, it won't really matter. You'll never have to do this again. It's just for new sites. Alright, so now let's go into the Project Supremacy plugin here. And we're going to go to Schema Markup. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to hit Add New Schema. And we're going to search here, whatever business we're trying to build this for, you want to see if they exist in this drop-down as an option. Now in this example, this is an insurance agency, so we're going to choose that. If you didn't see an option that matched up, you choose local business. Alright, now we want to hit this little drop-down here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a website. So here's my website, insuringbrighton.com. Paste that there. And I'm going to paste it with HTTPS. Alright, now let's go down here, and it's asking what's the name of the business. So the name of the business is Brighton Insurance Group. And this is what appears on your Google business listing. So that's where you're grabbing this from. So as an example, here's the Google business listing, and you can see we're called Brighton Insurance Group. So I'll put that there. And now you want to put a description, and you can take the same description you use in your Google business listing. I don't have one typed up for this example, but if you have any questions on this, let me know. Logo, we're going to want to add this as well. Price range, don't worry about. Map URL, let me show you where you get this. We're going to fill that out. So go to your actual listing, and on your listing you're going to see this option that says share. Click that. You can embed a map, which we've already done, or this option says send a link. Let's copy that link, and we're going to paste it right here for our map URL. You're going to put the email address of the business. Now this is just a dummy business, so I don't have one set up yet, but in general you're going to paste the email for the business right there. And now we're going to put in the telephone number. So let me find the number for this listing. Here it is right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Let's copy that. And we're going to paste it right here. And then any social links we have set up. So if we have a Facebook page or Twitter or Google+, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, any of these, you're going to paste the URL right in there. I don't have any for this example, but in general, this is where we're going to fill out this information. Rating, don't worry about that. Opening hours. Now, if a business tells us their specific hours, we're going to base it off of that. And it's going to match up with what we say for the Google business. So in this example, this one says 24 hours. Most businesses are going to say 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But just for this example, we'll stick with the 24 hours because that's what it says on the listing. So let's go back. It could actually be difficult to match up, so I'll just do this. We're going to say Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Alright, so leave that there. Now we're going to fill out the city. I know this is in Brighton, Michigan, but again, you're going to grab this off your listing. I know it's in Michigan, so I'm going to do the state abbreviation. And the zip code for this listing is 48116. 48116. The street, let me grab that. It is 125 North Church Street. Okay, next thing we need to figure out is geolocation. So we need to figure out the latitude and the longitude for this address. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a tool here. It's called latlong.net. And you're just going to type the business name. Let's see if we're able to pull it up. And let's hope that it finds it. Let's see. All right, there we go. So it has found it. I'm just double checking. I don't know if I trust this. Let's try another tool. All right, here's another tool. It's called getlatlong.net. And all we need to do is enter an address here. So let me put in the address. It's 125 North Church Street, Brighton, 548116. And we'll say go here. And we can see this is a map of where our general location is. And if we scroll down here, it actually gives us our latitude and longitude right here. So let's copy that latitude. Copy. And we're going to paste it right here. Now we're going to do the same thing for longitude. So let's copy our longitude. And paste it right there. And now we're just going to hit save. And it tells us it's successfully saved the schema settings. So what it's done now is it has added the schema to our website. Now Google's going to be able to crawl our site and see that schema and know exactly where we're at, and that's going to help with our overall ranking. Stay tuned for the next video.